Today we are going to learn series connection of two proximity sensor, and we will also learn working of series connection of proximity sensor and also learn application. So let's start video and first see working of two proximity sensor series connection. Okay, when we operate one proximity sensor, then load will not turn on. When we operate two proximity sensor at same time, then our load will turn on. You can see here, if we operate one proximity sensor, then load will not turn on. If we operate two proximity sensor at same time, then our load will turn on. So let's start video and first see which component is required for two proximity sensor series connection. So you can see here, we connect one control MCB in which we connect a 220 volt input power supply, one SMPS for 24 voltage DC supply. Okay, it converts from 220 volt AC to 24 volt DC, and we connect it to photoelectric sensor which operating voltage 5 to 40 volt DC. In this sensor we have three wires. First see all wire functions. First you can see here brown wire for positive 24 volt DC supply, blue wire for negative supply, and black wire for output. You can see here, when our sensor will operate, so output comes in this black wire, and our sensor is PNP type, so output will be positive. Okay, we connected to PNP sensor and we connected 24 volt DC operated glass relay. This relay is 11 pin glass relay. First see relay base. You can see here, in this base we have total 11 terminals, 2 and 10 for relay coil supply which is 24 volt DC. We have 3 common, 3 NO and 3 NC terminal. One number point is common point, 1 and 3 you can see here, 3 number point is NO point and 4 number point is NC point. You can see here, 4 number point is NC point. Okay, and second common, 11 number point is common, 11 to 9 is NO number point and 8 number point is NC point. Okay, also we have 3 common, so third common is 6 number point, 6 to 7 is NC point. You can see here, this is NC, and 5 number point is NO terminal. Okay, so it is 11 pin 24 volt DC glass relay, and for load we connect one bulb. Okay, let's start control wiring. So first we connect SMPS for 24 volt DC supply. So line and neutral connects here, and positive and negative 24 volt DC supply connects here. So first we connect the input power supply. Line wire connects in line terminal and neutral connects in neutral terminals. 220 volt input power supply connects here for SMPS input power supply. Now output connection, first we connect first sensor positive wire. You can see here, brown wire is positive wire, so brown wire connects in SMPS positive terminal. Okay, so 24 volt positive wire connects here, and negative wire which is blue wire, so blue wire connects in SMPS negative terminal. So it is sensor input power supply connection. When sensor operate, so output comes here in this black wire, because sensor is P and P type. Okay, so P and P positive output comes here in this connector. Now first sensor output connects in second sensor input power supply. Okay, when first sensor operates, so output connect as a second sensor input power supply. So second sensor brown wire connects in first sensor output, negative blue wire connects in SMPS negative. Now second sensor output which is black wire, so second sensor output will operate glass relay. It is connects in 2 number point. Okay, so positive in relay comes for second sensor and negative connects directly in 10 number point. Okay, you can see here our connection is now done. First see how it works. Okay, now first start control MCB. Now when we operate first sensor, relay will not operate. When we operate two sensor at same time, so relay will operate. You can see here, when we operate two sensor at same time, so our load will start. Okay, when we operate single sensor, so load will not start. So it is a control wiring for two sensor series connection. Okay, now if you want to control any 220 volt load with this connection, so you can connect very easily. first we need to connect a neutral wire. So neutral connects directly with MCB. So neutral connects directly. And for line control wiring, first see relay control terminals. Okay. So for control wiring we need to use common and NO point. Okay. So 11 number common point, first we connect line connector with MCB and connects in 11 number common point. When relay will operate, then use NO. 9 number point is NO, so connects with load. Okay. Now load connection is now done. Let's see how it works. So first we start control MCB. You can see here in SMPS, input power supply is now connected. Now when you operate single sensor, your load will not turn on. When you operate two sensors at same time, your load will turn on. When you operate single sensor, your load will not turn on. Okay. Now let's see application of series connection of two sensor. So this connection can be used in multiple places in electrical automation. Most commonly application is used in counter meter. Okay, when your both sensor will operate, so counter meter will count. Okay, and also using conveyor. Okay, if your product passes from first sensor, so your load will not turn on. When your product passes from both sensor, so your load will turn on. So you can use this connection in multiple places of electrical automation. So I hope you concept the connection of two sensors series connection. If you like this video, please press like button for today's